B&B Auto Sales, driving our 68 Buick GS. Good running car, 45 is about 65, so she's a little ways off on her speedo. Pretty cool car. You can see the fuel gauge working, aftermarket gauges down there, good oil pressure. 4-speed car, so fun to drive, and the 400's been upgraded to a 430, so a few more cubic inches. Got pretty tall gears, so pretty good highway car. Good sounding dual exhaust. Look at that shine on that paint. The paint on this car is awesome. So if you're looking for a pretty cool Buick GS, this will fit the bill. That nice rumble, the dual exhaust, got stereo in it. And you don't see a lot of 4-speed ones, so any questions, 605-695-7391.